Delhi dangal, Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party has slammed Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan's letter that he shot to Chief Minister Atishi on farmers being ignored. That's what the BJP accuses Aam Aadmi Party of. You have Sanjay Singh responding, saying BJP, in fact, is responsible for the death of nearly 750 farmers during the farmer agitation. BJP has no moral ground to speak about farmers. 750 farmers were martyred due to BJP's sins. Sanjay Singh responding to the BJP's jibe, here's what he says.
मैं समझ नहीं पाता कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी इतनी बेशर्म पार्टी है कि अभी भी किसानों के बारे में बात कर रही है। उनके अंदर इतना भी साहस है अभी भी कि वो किसानों के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं। जिस पार्टी ने 1 साल तक हिंदुस्तान के अन्नदाता किसानों को गुलाम की तरह दिल्ली की सड़कों पे, दिल्ली के आसपास बॉर्डर पे दुश्मनों की तरह ट्रीट किया, उनको पाकिस्तानी कहा, उनको खालिस्तानी कहा, उनके ऊपर गोलियां चलाई, लाठियां चलाई, आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़े। किसान का क आपके मुंह से नहीं निकलना चाहिए। भारत की आजादी के बाद किसानों की सबसे बड़ी द्रोही कोई पार्टी है तो उस पार्टी का नाम है भारतीय जनता पार्टी।
Now, Delhi dangal intensifies. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan locks horns with Delhi Chief Minister Atishi on farmers. In fresh attack, the Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan wrote to Delhi CM Atishi and referred to Kejriwal in the letter, accusing them of ignoring farmers. He stated that AAP is opportunistic and only remembers farmers during the time of elections, accusing Kejriwal and Atishi of being anti-farmers. Now, in response, the Delhi Chief Minister has compared the BJP government to Dawood, stating that the BJP talking about farmers is like Dawood Ibrahim speaking about non-violence. Atishi has also highlighted that BJP has lathi-charged farmers during the farmers' agitation. They have no right to speak.
जिस दिल्ली में किसान को किसान का दर्जा ही नहीं दिया इन लोगों ने, शर्म नहीं आ रही है इन लोगों को अपनी उस कुर्सी पर बैठ करके इस तरह की बात करते हैं। हम देश के हर किसान को किसान सम्मान निधि देते हैं, लेकिन दिल्ली के किसान को नहीं मिल सकता क्योंकि उनको किसान का दर्जा ही नहीं प्राप्त है। म्यूटेशन 20 साल बाद हम लोग सारे सांसद मिल करके और किस तरह से म्यूटेशन शुरू कराए, तो इसलिए वो लोग केवल बातों की बात करते हैं, हम लोग कार्य करके लोगों को खुशियां दे रहे हैं और वो खुशियां और बढ़ने वाली।
Let me take it to Amit Bharadwaj joining us live. He's tracking developments in Delhi. Amit, what's the letter in detail that Shivraj Singh Chauhan has shot to Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, referring to Kejriwal and Atishi being anti-farmers? Why did they say that? And what's AAP's response?
Nabila, Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has written a letter to Atishi, Delhi Chief Minister, while there are allegations from Mr. Chauhan that Aam Aadmi Party government is anti-farmer, not working for the welfare of the farmer in the national capital, and has not implemented several of the schemes of the central government in Delhi, including schemes on the national seeds and national farmers policy. All that has been mentioned in the letter that has been shot by Shivraj Singh Chauhan to Delhi Chief Minister Atishi. And in this particular, there are 3 schemes that Shivraj Singh Chauhan has mentioned in his letter, and he has also accused the Delhi government of cutting the power supplies of the villages who live on along the banks of Yamuna. So these are very specific allegations that have been labelled by Mr. Chauhan, the Union Agriculture Minister. But in response, Aam Aadmi Party is actually training guns at the BJP-led central government. On one side, you have Sanjay Singh, Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MP, and also is the leader of the parliamentary party of AAP, saying that, it is the BJP who is responsible for the martyrdom of 750 farmers during the farmers' agitation. The MSP law has not been implemented yet. Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, also chipping in, the Aam Aadmi Party convener, saying that there's a conspiracy of the Bharatiya Janata Party-led central government of trying to push back those 3 farm laws which were withdrawn by the central government in name of policy, in garb of policy, and that the state governments are being sent the draft of that policy seeking their response as to what they want. So Arvind Kejriwal is claiming that the intent of the central government is to bring back those 3 farm laws, the controversial farm laws, in form of policy at the state level. As well as Atishi, the Delhi Chief Minister, has also, hit back at the Union Agriculture Minister, saying that, BJP should not be preaching others about the farmers' issue, and rather they should initiate talks with the farmers who are sitting on agitation on the border of Punjab and Haryana and listen to their demands. Nabila.
Thanks very much, Amit Bharadwaj, for joining us with those details.